Hello lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the real secret to laying down your hair, no matter how coarse it is and no matter the gel that you are using. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that I'll be sharing with you. So just before applying the gel to my hair, I sprayed the clove water to my hair and then used the coconut oil to my entire hair. Then the next thing, I go ahead and put my hair into section for easy application and also for better result. So this is what I did. I put my hair into simple section like this, and then I start applying the gel from the top of my head. So this is the gel that I used for this day. It is Cuts by, I don't know how to pronounce that name really well, but it has a holding power of level 5 and it gives a wet look after the final result. So what I'm going to do right here is that I'm going to be taking a little amount of the gel and applying to my hair from top of my head. So I keep doing that until I complete my entire hair, just taking a little amount of the gel and applying to my hair, opening up each section, applying a little amount, and I'm starting from the root of my hair. I'm applying to I'm applying to my entire strand of my hair because that's what I really want. You can just apply only the section that you want. And the real secret to getting your hair laid down, no matter the state of your hair, no matter how coarse is your hair, and no matter the gel that you're using, is make sure that your hair is juicy. That's the secret. Make sure that your hair is juicy. What I mean is that oil your hair before you start applying the gel. What I always do is that after cleaning my hair, just after washing my hair with shampoo, I always go ahead and oil my hair immediately when my hair is still damp. And for this day, until almost every day, I always also apply the clove water. I spray the clove water to my hair and apply the oil. Making your hair juicy is going to help you get the hair laid down, no matter how coarse it is. I love including clove water to my daily hair routine because clove is helping to strengthen the hair and also help to have new growth of hair. So if you like, go ahead and try. Also, if you haven't used yet clove water, go ahead and begin using the clove water to your hair routines. And if you need us how to make the clove water and clove oil, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below so that you get to see how to make the clove oil and the clove water as well. And now that I've told you the secret of making sure that your hair lays down, no matter the gel or no matter how coarse or dry your hair is, let me share with you this gel. This gel is mostly used by men, but I just decided to try it to my hair. It's really nice. I loved the result. It has a holding power of level 5 and it also gives a shiny effect of 5. And the instruction to use this gel is apply an appropriate amount to the desired area. Spread evenly by a comb or fingers and blow dry. Usually when you finish applying to your desired area, you can go ahead and use a blow dryer to dry the section of your hair. It is a super hard setting power, holds your styled hair firmly, gives you a wet look and sets hair as you desired. You know, the goodness of this gel is that no matter the style that you want to give to your hair, it's going to give it that way. So I just turned the other section and I'm remaining with the little sections. I just use the comb to help my hair lay down as I want. And now this is my final section. I'm just going to open it up, apply the gel again, and section it to the direction that I want. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out everything that I'll be sharing with you. On this channel, I usually share mostly natural, simple things about the hair and the skin. The things that help your hair to grow thicker, faster, and they're all natural, meaning they won't have any side effect to your hair and the skin. So if you don't want to miss out on my natural hair ideas, everything homemade, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out anything. There is a lot that I'll be sharing with you already. I have it in the store just to upload and share with you guys. You would love it. Hair growth, baldness issues, you need to get the ideas so that you don't stress yourself so much, yet there is a lot natural solutions to your hair and skin problems. So if you want those simple solutions without spending a lot, know that you are at the right place. I'm already done applying the gel to my entire hair and it looks already nice without blow drying and even without covering, but I just really want to make it more better, so I went ahead and rolled my back side of my ponytail and then covered also for some few minutes, and this how it looked like. So I just open up again my ponytail because I just wanted it to look a little wavy, and also I complete by doing my edges. We did just the same gel. Give me thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, give your opinion, and I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. For more, remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out everything that I'll be sharing with you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.